When your Hisense portable air conditioner remote becomes unresponsive, the solution is often simpler than you think. Let's start with the most common culprits. The number one cause of remote failure is dead or weak batteries. Always replace them with fresh alkaline batteries, not rechargeable ones, as they may not provide sufficient power. Pay careful attention to polarity when inserting batteries. The positive and negative ends must align correctly with the markings in your remote's battery compartment. Hisense remotes communicate using infrared signals, just like a TV remote. These invisible light beams carry your commands from the remote to the air conditioner. For infrared signals to work properly, you need a clear line of sight between your remote and the air conditioner. Any obstacles like furniture, walls, or even your hand can block the signal. Direct sunlight or strong artificial lighting can interfere with infrared signals. If your remote works at night but not during the day, light interference might be the culprit. If your remote still doesn't work after replacing batteries, check for corrosion on the battery contacts. White, powdery buildup can prevent proper electrical connection. Clean the contacts with a cotton swab and baking soda solution, then dry thoroughly. These basic troubleshooting steps solve most remote control issues. Start with fresh batteries, ensure proper installation, maintain clear line of sight, avoid light interference, and clean any corrosion. These simple fixes will get your Hisense remote working again in most cases. When basic troubleshooting doesn't solve your Hisense remote issues, these advanced fixes can help restore functionality. First, try resetting your remote control. Remove the batteries and wait at least 10 minutes to fully discharge the internal circuits. Next, reset the air conditioning unit itself. Turn off the unit, unplug it from power for 10 to 30 seconds, then plug it back in and turn it on. Some Hisense models require pairing the remote with the unit. Check your user manual for specific button combinations, as this varies by model. If your unit has Wi-Fi capability, use the Hisense Smart app as an alternative control method. This provides full remote functionality through your smartphone. If your remote's indicator light is blue, it may be trying to connect via Bluetooth. Hold the menu button for 5 seconds to switch it back to infrared mode. If all troubleshooting steps fail, contact Hisense customer service or consult a qualified technician for professional assistance.